guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in Mykonos right now, as you can tell. I've been here for a couple days already, but I haven't really recorded anything because it's just been a bit chaotic. So yeah, it's really fun. I'm actually here with my mum at the moment, and my friend Ren will be joining me the day after tomorrow. So I'm really excited for that. We went to Skopje's yesterday, which is like a beach club, and then today I think we're going to go to another one. And we went to Mykonos town on the first day, but I was really tired because we just got off the plane. So we're going back to Mykonos town today and hopefully get some more pictures. And yeah, it's really nice. It's really windy though. Everyone said that Mykonos is really windy, but I didn't believe them until I'm actually here. And yeah, I guess I'm going to take you guys along with me. Which is a super nice beach in Mykonos. This is the beach, and Ren just landed, so we're actually going to meet her at this like restaurant thing. It's in the hotel, so it's pretty like close to here. It's like up there, and yeah. I kind of missed some of the days since I last said something, but Ren is here and we're still in Mykonos, as you can tell. Super nice. We are dressed for Skopje's.
Exciting. I'm so excited.
Skopje's is really nice. So we have a reservation now. So we're about to go. I don't know why I said that. And yeah, this is my outfit. And then Ren has a matching type one in green. And yeah, what else do we have to say?
We're ready to go. That's it. That's the vibe.
It's so windy. Look what happens to my hair. It gets like these little flyaways. And it just doesn't look as good as it does when I first did it.
Really good.
We're at Skopje's. We just got some shrimp tacos and some drinks. It's good. Mukbang. We just finished watching the sunset at Skopje's. Yes. I took some pictures too. We just got dinner. I got a spinach risotto, and Ren got some dessert because she's not that hungry.
I got a cheesecake because I ate so much at the beach club, and I just couldn't eat a full meal.
We ate pretty crazy. And yeah, we're in Branko, the restaurant, which is actually a beach club, so it's like in front. And yeah, we're gonna eat. We're going to another beach club. This is my outfit. This is Ren's outfit. What's the name of the beach club? Solimar. Solimar Beach Club. So we're going there, and then I think we're gonna have lunch at Lohan or Solimar, and then dinner somewhere in that area. And yeah, so more beach activities. We've ended up at Lohan after a small change of plan.
Yes, but we love it here.
Yeah. Now we're having lunch. I matched my rings to my dress to survive, and Ren matched my dress
to the outfit to the restaurant.
To the restaurant. And we got some Aperol, and there's a little water bucket. It's super windy. This keeps almost blowing away. You look cute though.
Thank you. What did you order?
I ordered fettuccine with red mullet.
Ooh, what's that?
I don't know, but we'll find out. So I'm gonna be you.
And I ordered the same because I'm a copycat.
Yes.
And it's gonna be delicious.
Copying of always someone.
All of them. It's so good.
Is it? I'm excited. It looks really nice. Ren got a fruit platter. But it's so windy that we can't do anything. So yeah. Here's a fruit platter. Cute. We got our dinner. And it's right by the sea. Mykonos town is just there. We keep getting wet by the waves. It's my last day and she's leaving me.
Hi.
And we have you sound happy about that, I'm really sad. And we have matching play suits, kind of, well they're not matching, but they're play suits, yes. And yeah, cute. So we're gonna go to Mykonos town and get some breakfast, and then yeah, so I'll take you with me. We just got our breakfast with a view of the ocean.
It's delicious.
Ren got some pancakes and chocolate, I got some pancakes with egg. Nice. Just took some pics in the town. It's so windy, as you can tell by my hat. But yes, we're like the only people eating outside.
Feel so